Akyea say, 3rd of July ya ebeya. Chairman Wontumi asem no judgment beba no. Akoka che court to say, in fact, sinanka some information bi ma no. Sa ansem ni nyina ya de ma no na okokenkan. Or catch court to say, 3rd of July judgment no mama judge ne nye onto nshada. If the judge comes to court and goes against her own ruling, then the judge is not fit to be on this case because you made an emphatic ruling. My catch is NPP for me Jimmy. You see, Chairman Wontumi, I'm kind of NPP for himself with Jimmy, and all these NPP lawyers, they are telling themselves each other behind the scenes. So with Jimmy, they're taking your money. Make catch them. Yeah, penko for my what? Enter for more NPP no them. Won't kwasi ade won't say achim ni bi gina ho won't say asantifo ni bi yewe e de ntafo more party no na gitumi omo gimi MPP ntafo. Now I just want to say something to Kennedy Japan. After all these things hwe de eba no hana enken wo no mo enka enken asem no. Wontumi's lawyer Samuel Achim Police Akyea has urged the High Court to defer judgment beyond 3rd July 2026, citing the registry's failure to furnish him with the record of proceedings needed to file his written submissions by the court-ordered deadline of 23rd June 2026. So I'm for South Central Bantama Kwabre. Eye mo bekwai. Me sai bekan brofro na me tim e wasantikasem. Twi kasem na ye nyina ya tiase. Wontumi's lawyer Samuel Achim Police Akyea has urged the High Court to defer judgment beyond 3rd July 2026, citing the registry's failure to furnish him with the records of proceedings needed to file his written submission by the court-ordered deadline of 23rd of June 2026. Eye Akyea a obianim se ose Achim Police ende Akyea oye Chairman Wontumi a ogina court because of Samra boy a koye galamse wo se nsu a and nsu afom. Akyea say ende wakọ court a waka kire court say eye 3rd of July ya ebeya. Chairman Wontumi na asem no judgment beba no o say wakoka che court say in fact eye court edwumafo a ye from eye den eye from registry for and omo call from the registers or whatever they call them no o say na nka some the information bi ma no na sa information no ni nyina ne time a Chairman Wontumi start court ensem akoso court nyina na nka say sa nsem ni nyina ya de ma no na okokenkan ansa na wachro ono ano ne written submission enti because eye court registry for no entimi amfasa document na ma nti o ka kire court ne say 3rd of July judgment no mama judge ne nye onto nhyeda maka che NPP for mo Jimmy Akyea say before betuma try written statement remember time Chairman Wontumi change Apia Kubi okofa Akyea bae no judge ne kan bibi wo court time ye change Apia Kubi mebe kan kire mo murefi yakofa Achim Police Akyea say ombe Chairman Wontumi lawyer no me kan sa judgment ne kire the judge ne kan ye and judge no trust our judgment is not or you're very specific about the timelines. Judge no judgment no ka say Chairman Wontumi ne lawyer nya problem na so be change e de Akyea ba only problem na Akyea still from that time no to the 3rd of July no order who obey 2 weeks obetumi dey atron written submission into on there the 3rd July judgment no de beba still from there near year Akyea no order who omre and the Akyea say registry for na mfa document no document Akyea pa Akyea say from the day na Chairman Wontumi start court was Samra boy case wo no enkrata ne nsem maka nyina no court mfama no na onya abotrenkin kan ni nyina Akyea yakwasea Akyea say mema judge no on the 3rd mema ne fa judgment ma ontu nhyeda adentra from the day na Chairman Wontumi start court no Sa from that day no in some of court omo chrogu krata so nyina no our se court ni nyina ma no na onya abotretena se na okenkan wie na nakoma todie ma na wono atro written submission na otro submission wi ansa na judge no aya na adwene se obe pronounce anase obeba bontena be ka se judgment ni nie nti right now Akyea say yenjai bibia mema judge ni ncho judgment onjai nkotena baby na ono Akyea enye de all ye wie sa na Akyea ka kire Ghana court kwasiafo na mametwe adwene ko bibi so bebe kan sa judgment na kire day na ye change Apiaku bi Akyea eko court Apiaku bi ene Chairman Wontumi court eko ka kire judge ni say Chairman Wontumi so asesa Apiaku bi no judge no that day no o ma ruling bi moma yanko ne sanko kan ruling no eho na bo nsa Akyea omo nyina nim say Chairman Wontumi agimi ene omo dada no mokai sa ruling way I read it on the show mokai sa judgment way this was a judgment I'm reading wa day na eye Chairman Wontumi ka say wapamo Apiaku bi no me ka chem say plan na Chairman Wontumi mo afa NPP for nyina say on person delay case no on person judge no be read judgment no anytime akofa Akyea ba na Akyea be ma excuse na 3rd July no 3rd June no judge ntumi fa judgment ni mba say na be ya munim say the following week no court be call a break na mo tumi nya 3 months na mo dey call election no mo Chairman Wontumi na mo be ka kire wi ase say omo national chairman na NDC anase aban Akyea tum omo plan na ani enende ohun plan na abemu no omo gimi mo ka judgment we eye in the Superior Court of Judicature, in the High Court of Justice, Criminal Court 4, held in Accra on Monday, the 15th day of June, 2026, before Her Ladyship, Audrey Kokuvi Tay, Justice of the High Court. Now, sir, a judgment way. Me reading in United and me change which say, judge in judgment on my no, sir, judgment no clearly shows say, judge, written submission in your DBA. A bit may affect the judgment. Written submission. A very vital and a vital. Without written submission, you bet me the judgment abana. Yes. A judge a ruling or can wom. Now ruling in ye. Before the court is a motion on notice. Before the court is a motion on notice for leave to withdraw legal services for first and third accused persons. Prosecution has raised preliminary legal objection to the application. I have also listened to learned counsel on both sides on objection raised. I have also considered the applicable law. It is the considered opinion of this court that the instant application is a supplicage in the sense that there is no procedural requirement. There is no procedural requirement for a lawyer in a criminal matter to file an appearance. In much the same way, there is no such procedural requirement either under the criminal and other and other offenses. Act 1960 or Act 1960, Act 30, or by judicial precedent that I have come across, that a lawyer who has decided to cease to act for his clients in a criminal matter must seek the leave of the court to so withdraw. Or say, aseme dene nimu no, and we're ruling no, aseme dene nima omu pense mu ende eye Apiaku bi aba court ebe ka che ono judge say one ne client seb your client no high no behind the scenes privately Apiaku bi be ka che say ono Chairman Wontumi nya adwuma bi no say court mramu no ene court awatena aye adwuma no say lawyer odi obi high no de na ba court say sa nipa no lawyer no ne sa nipa ne ja adwuma dia ene de enfa court mo say sa lawyer ne ba court wo be ka kire court say Chairman Wontumi ne high me menene kan sika meje ewo kukuom and also ne menye adwuma judge ne say onhu wo baby ada say obi ahai privately na se nipa no pese oba ne lawyer bi ma e wo say wo ba me court ana wo ba Ghana court be ka che court say ai me be ka kire mo chema Wontumi menene nye adwuma bi o say emra bi eni ho emra bi eni Ghana kire say wo de chema Wontumi wo apia kubi wo de chema Wontumi nye adwuma bi ma e wo say wo ba court be ka kire say wo de nye adwuma bi because chema Wontumi e high wo no na judge ni ho na attorney general ni ho na court of Ghana na eni ho bi. That is a private matter. You are not even supposed to come to court and tell the court to say, "Mene chema Wontumi nye adwuma bi." No, a contract na mo sign ya, baby a mo sign contract. Mo nkona mo nkotwam. Inti judge ni say, "Eye ne wanwa say wo Apia Kubia, say be oye lawyer pagini a wuni mu mra no, and wa begina court ka kire ne say, mene chema Wontumi nye adwuma bi. Na emom no, chema Wontumi akofa lawyer foforo. Judge ni ruling ni asem o kan ye ni natie. Di aka o de kan ho. I say, even though the respondent has raised other grounds of objection, the objection is sustainable on only one main ground, which is the application by counsel for leave to withdraw from criminal proceedings is not a function of any rule of procedure nor of settled case law jurisprudence. I see, a woman say Attorney General Krano a raise issue say, the air question Sebio and Fakwem say apart from Attorney General Sebio or raise the issue about the air cost or court no on one gasa crampo no say court mremu no sade na enye adwuma nyan Sebia nim say wo a we lawyer wo ne wo client ma papa mu no e wo say wo ba court be ka say me client a papa mu na o client no all high wo no na court wo hobi na judge ni kole ni mo chro bibi mo me anko kan no ene very very important o say the instant application is alien and not a procedural requirement in criminal proceedings. Or say asema apia kubi bejina ne nim kaye say ono aba court ebe ka kire court or say sebio enimrem court krampo nim saade no emfa so bia nyansa bia nim eye alien court kran recognize saade no. And okore nim no say counsel herein does not need or say counsel herein or say appear could be time and oka se one eye de chema Wontumi nye adwuma bi no say counsel hearing does not need leave of this court to withdraw as counsel or say eye appear could be sebio eni krampo se oye na adwene se oba court abeka kire court say or the chema Wontumi nye adwuma or say nyanse bi anim or say counsel which is appear could be ade oye no fazo bi eni so ensisa bibia. In fact appear could be experience or one who say saade we kura wa ye na eye nim guasie ma no because court does not recognize contract between a client and the counsel or his lawyer. No. Now judge ni kaso no course or say this is an issue between himself and his client. If he chooses by his personal decision to abandon his client at this stage, that will not affect the timeline of the proceedings. I say, ono na etu no bo aka se oni chema Wontumi nye adwuma bi ma judge ne say saade ne eye apia kubi ni chema Wontumi omo angasa na afa omo ho adwene so omo be yesa na emom ro be se omo nyina te ase se wantwi anase disagreement ato apia kubi ne chema Wontumi se Wontumi nya ne lawyer biemu no o say court we dwumade a ye di no enka ne court enka ne tie court ne de eye ne de eye o say timelines. That means time o ka say o de judgment ne beba on the 3rd of June no en sesa ye apia kubi ne lawyer apia kubi ne client nyan to kwa say o sesa lawyer na o say court date ya hye no say ye de the judgment beba no sa entokwa ne nsem no enka court timelines ho be a court gina na court gina where any ruling they can't be see enda asam no so. Now judge ni kore ni no kan asem bi and I want to let me see this number 2, right? Okay, judge ni sa kore ni no kan asem bi mama me read emenya bote na medwudwam. I say the application is not competent before the court. Assuming without admitting that the application were even competent before this court, the court has taken notice that the lawyer seeking to withdraw has not directed service on his own clients to enable them appropriately respond. Or see, say, Opeso Jia Pia Kubi Adeno Kratum, now Cas okay, the wire de ya. Or say, Pia Kubi Nankasan Kwampuno, on to me and serve Chairman Wontumi formally. Say, on to me the Chairman Wontumi Yejuma. Apia Kubi Bakot, no, one for Kratabian Pam Bakot, and Makacha Court, the court. Mene me client way, this is a formal document that just say, mene the contract, no, and there is easy. Or say, oh, Apia Kubi, I also want to Chairman Wontumi Yejuma. One for Kratabian Pam, but say, one Chairman Wontumi no, one in Yejuma. So, dear credit, say, dear Obakana and Yatro, because so wouldn't the panel official. A contract. That's over court to crampa any remember catch and say within the judgment. At least weaponize yourself a little bit with some document to prove to court to say, even though Nyansa be himself about catch him within the judgment. Krata will crampo to be dear dance here. One for Bibiamba or the one sato, why you to and our trophy abegina has said, one or client in judgment. Judge say, as some no NCC so Sabio a waste of court time. Now, Judge the ruling American chrono. Consequently, consequently, Judge and say, in fact, let me see something here. All right, Mame, ensure we because I am marking red. No? Now, this is the part I want you to pay attention to. I am marking red. No? That is from the consequently. And the last one, no. Judge and the judgment or see, or can be or see. Consequently, since filing of closing addresses is optional, right now, attaching say, sa closing addresses no, enunti na court no entry judgment ni kwechiri. Na judge na last ruling no can be or say, consequently, since filing of closing addresses is optional and not a function of the rules. That is to say, there is no provision under the rules compelling a lawyer for an accused or prosecution to file address. See, brofuni Judge the ruling now here the last time or money clear or say consequently, since filing of closing addresses is optional and not a function of the rules. Or see, written addresses no Sebiana judge focus on your assembly. May Bible chirem me opinion ni in a form of written statement. Or say a optional. Or say mrabie ni we chiresa sadia no say yanya yen to me muasem no. Or say a optional a opinion of the lawyer. Inti a optional no enya dia say yanya en to me my judgment number so judge the last ruling no kaye. In the end, Atta say, let's say the all can on the credit. Nensan to me anka their proceedings, no, and now whatever happened in court now. Sadia Nensa can cry, whatever he will write wouldn't affect the outcome of the case because they are just opinions of the lawyer, they are just lawyers' views on the matter. It does not change the evidence the judge is basing on to write his or her judgment. This is simple. You don't have to complicate this. Akyea mu Jimmy Chairman Wontumi. Omo dada NPP for no Jimmy for no. Now ko em judge ni can say me. Or say there is no provision under the rules compelling a lawyer for an accused or prosecution to file an address. Or say can be or say addresses are optional statements made by lawyers to articulate on the merits or demerits on the case one way or the other. Or see, sa addresses na Atta say, yam stati enkofa documents in number and or see, those addresses are optional statements made by lawyers to articulate. It is the views of the lawyers, how they see the case. It does not affect the evidence the judge is basing his judgment on. They are just views. They are just opinions. And the judge was saying, those things are, dear on Embrabian word, say, Kianaki, say, written submissions are, the judgment cannot be brought out. No, or say, optional. You can decide to do it, you can choose not to do it. And we have seen cases where lawyers have come out to say, I have no written submission. I'm done with the case, let the court decide. So whether you write or you don't write, the judge will not even read your submission. 99% of the time, the judges don't read the written submission of the lawyers because the judges don't want the opinions of the lawyers to affect their judgment, which is based on evidence before them. And to say, me a judge. Now say, me try my judgment. I will not waste my time to read an opinion of a lawyer. I will not waste my time to read an article a lawyer has written about the case because I have to base my judgment on the evidence that was provided during the proceedings to make sure I have the right things. The opinion of the lawyer does not matter here because it's not because of the lawyer that I'm sitting here. I am seated here as a judge because of the evidence put before me for me to make the judgment based on the evidence. So the court or the lawyer's opinion does not matter. It does not affect the final outcome of the case. In this Akyea say, because of a written statement, delay documents in Sankaniti, judge no impose for the case, Akyea is mad with Jimmy. Or that NPP for because when you say NPP for Jimmy. Now the last part of the judge in the ruling, no, I think they're very important. I'll say the court would by this extend the time of filing written addresses from the 17th to the 24th. In this all calculate here, judge no cross Akyea say you have time because nanka also or making sure say obi any obey written submissions on the 17th and a final day. But what the judge did was that even though the written submission is not necessary, it's your opinion. If I don't allow you, because you have decided to write it, if I don't allow you, somebody will say, I am trampling on your right. If you want to waste your time and write the written statement, you have till the 24th. Judge need to be 1 week is I can home. Akyea attach about court to say, I yen delay judgment because here document from now. Agro na nyawa agro abrofo no budi o magro enom se bedi bi wo ba ya wo so be tro rules abuofunu. The written submission is not even a must. Yeah, ma o chance say chiro bi na kire ai sika kakra betima gire wo to show working. Sa written submission na they write no it is proof to their client to say I am working. Say na be obetima di chema Wontumi sika kakra no o pese o be man be yemra judge say enyemra. Just to prove to your client to say, "Oh, yeah, Juma." Just to prove to your client to say, "I case the course no." Say na me so me dwene fa ho. It is that the judge is being considerate and saying, "Say you can choose not to write it, and if you can choose to write it, it does not affect." Not say, "Oh, and now ube determine." Say an optional thing. Open say a fact, and I say a master. Now, oh, but you don't know the law. You don't know the law. You are a liar. You are lying to your client. Akyea the tisa noma or that chema Wontumi Jimmy. He needs to know they are lying to him. Now, the Attorney General, Akyea say, or pleading with the court to say, or non ensanka documents. Now, court no postpone the judgment from the 3rd of June. No. The Attorney General has written something. The Attorney General has reacted to oral. I reacted to Akyea statement. And then no matter. Case updates. Operation Recover All Loot. Oral for the statement about Bontine. And this is the statement from Oral. Republic versus Bernard Siakon, aka Chema Wontumi, and 2 others. The Attorney General will strongly oppose the application for deferment of judgment brought by Mr. Samuel Akyea, new lawyer for Bernard Siakon. In a 13-paragraph affidavit, so the Attorney General has responded, has reacted. In fact, the Attorney General has submitted a statement to court to say they oppose the statement from Akyea. They insist, they are pleading with the court that court initiated the 3rd of June and the court needs to follow its emra. So the Attorney General has reacted to Attachea's statement. He said, no, they are opposing this. They believe, he said, the court has set it 3rd of June as the day for the judgment to be basically pronounced. That the Attorney General is saying the court should stick to the 3rd of June. 3rd of July, sorry. 3rd of July. I'm sorry. 3rd of July. Now, Uridi, I'll say, the Attorney General will strongly oppose the application for deferment of judgment brought by Mr. Samuel Akyea, new lawyer for Bernard Ejusbosiakon. In a 13-paragraph affidavit, in opposition deposed to by Nana Ama Prempe, a senior state attorney, and filed this afternoon, the Attorney General strongly argues that the accused persons having been represented by counsel throughout the trial, and that counsel only withdrawing voluntarily and not for cause, the proper source for a new lawyer to procure the records of any brief or briefing on the case is the outgoing counsel and not the court registry. Now, it is further deposed to that the decision by counsel to abandon the proper source of obtaining the records or brief of the case and to rather apply to the court registry is actuated by malafide. What is this? Malafide. What the heck is this? Malafide or malafide, and a desire to frustrate the court of justice. Finally, the deponent urges the court to exercise its discretion to summarily refuse the present application, as a grant therefore will constitute the court's endorsement of abuse of its processes and public ridicule of the justice system. Hearing of the application is slated for Monday, June 29th, 2026 at 9 o'clock in the forenoon. Now, basically, what the Attorney General is saying, and they say, "Se court ne man ho kwan, na court ne eje nkwasi asema Akyea kana. Ebema ewiase nyina ngu se court ne krampo no enye ready to take a decisive decision." Because Attorney General Samuel Kanyina ne say, Akyea time a obeji case no, sebio court man time say onko tro ne written submission no, it was upon Akyea to make sure say sa document in nsaka whether to go to the registry himself or to approach the former lawyer, which is Akyea, to do what? To give him all the documents. You know, it is not the court. It is not the court's responsibility to be feeding Akyea daily with documents. It was upon Akyea, if he really wanted to do this, because in the first place, the court had extended the written submission time for Akyea. So it is onto Akyea or up to him to make sure. So if he's really ready to write his submissioner, he was supposed to contact the court. He was supposed to make the move. The registrars, they are there. If you approach them, if you force for the documents, you will get it. In fact, the former lawyer also has the proceedings. He could have even approached the former lawyer, which is Akyea, and taken a document to basically write his submission. But if he failed, and I say he's decided not to do it, na and the opposite of Blebu court, no, opposite of Dada court, no, opposite of Force court, no, court, no, some decision, bia later and conformable court, no, Abo court, no, Eddie court, no, who fell there. The Attorney General is saying that the court should not allow this to happen because Attorney General no opinion and say the Akyea no deliberate. Waboni trimu pose obe Dada court, no, ama Ghana for Astatia Tree court, no, se court, no, and to mean din mraso, and to mean din time so. Na court ne krampo no entumi endi no ho so enya de epese ye. In the Attorney General they will say the court should go ahead and on the 3rd of July no come out with a judgment because Akyea so opese obo ne client to partner so opese amount 14 opinion they are all true about case now. He needs to make the move. He needs to find a way to get a statement or document or proceedings, you know, and then write his submission. But if he has failed or he fails to do that, then it is not the responsibility of the court to be pampering Akyea, to be begging Akyea, to be calling Akyea to come for the document. No. The court, at the end of the day, essay on the 3rd of July, and before, and then, Judge Nedinkanka, written submissions are optional. Written submissions, it does not affect the final judgment. Written submissions are opinions of lawyers. So whether he writes or does not write, the judge should stick to the first ruling by telling us to say, written submission cannot affect the final data or the judgment in Baba. So the Attorney General is saying, they oppose it. The judge should do what? Should go ahead, bring out the judgment on the 3rd of July. On Monday, and I'm about 29th, on Meshia court. Now, as same way, Omakutie the judge Becca. But to me, I believe the judge should not listen to any of these nonsense. The judge should not even come to court. The judge should come to court on the 3rd of July. No more reading the judgment. It's a waste of time. The judge should not even come to court on the 29th. What is she coming to do in court? The judge, they are not obey court. Into our court, okay, Akyea, my own ruling. I'm ruling, I am going against it. Is the judge going to come to court and go against her own ruling? No. If the judge comes to court and goes against her own ruling, then the judge is not fit to be on this case. Because you made an emphatic ruling. You made Ghana for understand. Say, your ruling is clear. Written submissions are optional. It does not affect the final determination. You are basing on the evidence that was put before you by both counsels, the prosecution and also the accused. That is what you are basing on to write your final judgment. Submission, whether written or oral, it does not affect the final outcome. So if the judge comes back and says, okay, Akyea, you are making sense, then it means the judge herself is not supposed to be on this case, because you cannot come back and fight your own ruling. Your own ruling should guide you to go ahead and finish the judgment. You, the same judge, cannot come back and say, I made this ruling, I am going against the ruling. Then the judge will not be fit to write the final judgment. It will show that the judge is not consistent, the judge cannot make decisive decision, the judge does not understand the acts that protects the court. So to me, respectfully, I will tell the judge not to even come to court on Monday. It's a distraction. The judge should appear in court on the 3rd of July and read her judgment. So if the lawyers of Chairman Wontumi, from Akyea Kubi to Akyea, if they really want to help Chairman Wontumi, by now, nanka also omo written statement abba. So to me, I have strong support for what the Attorney General has said. The Attorney General is saying, whether submissions are written or not written, it does not affect the final judgment. Akyea wants to waste the court's time. Akyea is playing politics. Akyea himself, Chairman Wontumi Jimmy. My advice to the honorable judge is not to even come to court on Monday. Take your time and write the judgment. Memenya judge. Ghana for be judges. When I would send from day one to the last date, you are the one who can give us a ruling. The Chairman Wontumi the bonnet. Now say he's going to walk out. Nobody will have a problem with it. Say Chairman Wontumi so di bone na embra no ho na obeba ya tia say embra we na ugina so e dey judge Chairman Wontumi, we will all accept. That is why the law is the law. That is why the law is the law. And the good thing about this whole thing is 3rd of July is a holiday. A lot of people will come to court. They will all come and witness what will happen in court. And the good thing about this whole thing is the 3rd of July is a holiday. And if the 3rd of July is a holiday, we will all have time. I will come here. I will come and explain the ruling to Ghana for every single sentence. Mr. Chairman Wontumi, catch your touch and say, you see, Chairman Wontumi, I'm going to crunch. NPP for him so with Jimmy. Chairman Wontumi, dear, I don't know what form. Chairman Wontumi, NPP for him so with Jimmy. And all these NPP lawyers, they are telling themselves each other behind the scenes, so with Jimmy, they are taking your money. They know. They know you are not smart. They know you cannot read between the lines. They know you are not intelligent enough to know how the case is going to end. They know, say, we are dumb. You are not educated enough to sit and analyze the whole thing. They are playing with you. They are playing a nice game with you. Most of them don't want you to even be leading the NPP. 90% of NPP, they don't want you to be the face of NPP. And from the day who say abide the court because of Galamsey, 90% of NPP they were happy and they are still happy because say you played about 80% role in the defeat. Say so many Ghanaians voted against the NPP because of your actions. So NPP that is why Chairman Wontumi Kokota, you don't see more than 20 NPP people there say we came to support. You never see it. You know why? Because most of them want Chairman Wontumi to go to jail. Mahmoud Bawumia, why is Chairman Wontumi? He knows Chairman Wontumi is done. Onum se ni sika no wa gye wie. Omo say Chairman Wontumi ejimi. Chairman Wontumi is a daft guy who for some reason galamsey nti obenya sika kakra. Intina ni team odwun so num nyansa. Omo play now till now. And intina Chairman Wontumi ko court. Chairman Wontumi person national chairman. You don't see anybody following. You know why? Because they all want him to be in jail. They wish Chairman Wontumi was never part of this party again, because the more Chairman Wontumi is around the party, the galamsey title, the party will still carry it. So Chairman Wontumi, you should have understood from day one that majority of the people in the party, party for penny for all of them don't want you to be back in the party. Yeah. Because they feel say one person protect you for Atta, also omode woma eye aban, also omode woma emrano. So they believe say somebody for Atta beba de ankom de wo beje. Enti yesi bold siako de ni tiji akyerema no, the real reason enie. Say bi ana first won ti ase. Say omode ofori Atta beba ebema court ebua no ateto na no asem am yehu boni a wedini de ankom de bold siako na ebema mra no. Enti what they are doing now is bold siako na ope. Bold siako eno de onu ankasa ni ti ebeje akyerema. They will sacrifice both Siakon and protect Kenofori Atta. And the NPP minority to the last person, they will protect Ofori Atta than to protect you. Because they see, say, if they give you to the law, now both Siakon, Udu Tiko Jachemana, Omogen Segana for Rebefi Ofori Atta. No, we will not forget. The law is the law. The law is the law. It's both Siakon, Bon Paye, catch them on kind of crunch, Omo Dadao. Yakase bo siako de di tiji akyerema, bo siako de di tiji aso. Wo entwi bo siako, wuti wo de beje akyerema. So wan hwe ne ye a, omo daadaaw. Enti saa ebe na ye ne asantefo ebu no opese ohun ni meaning na ye na da ho no. Omo de bo siako ti beje akyerema. Ye di eye Ofori Atta beba. Ema sebio de hye e de ni ti beje akyerema de. Ye de bo siako a onima de. Bo siako a o sensase both yakwa sebio odi nkwasi asema nipa empe party no both yakwa o ma atumi free ensa ye de oni ni tibaji akyerema iti both yakwa no pe kama na wo yi sika efri wo pa udi gold egu table so o keka nsema enim o ya illegal mining uwura nsase no na wa na wo de wuti eje akyerema both yakwa Wontumi wa na wo de wuti akwaje akyerema nsa wo de wuti aje akyerema ma NPP a. Now problem we hefa. Problem no day, don't call Jesus. Udu ti kwa ja chremanti na nde etufo. Memo mo ndada, they are lying to you. Don't ever let them lie to you. Omo dada, party nankasa mpeo. They wish you were no more. They wish you never came close to the party again. Ba omiano kura nya ende ka wo Chairman Wontumi omben party uni around biem. He gets worried every time your name comes up. Inti akyerema no o destiny no. Now yebepon na ansa ne yebepon no. MPP, omo Jimmy too. She video ni ye pa ntafo no nko na yes ade no. She video ni ye pa. Boys on best are man police boys ba omiankwara. You say ende the National Executive Council of the NPP Akyea. Ni nyina na say almost say NPP National Executive Committee and National Council refers petition against Kennedy Japan to the party's disciplinary committee. You see, neck for Shiande, Emma NPP for minority MPs Nibi, led by Akyea Markin, a competition party. No, second, the Japan Akoka say NPP tia ben munanka also moya Afari Hospital no, enisa nka oka. Enti NPP for executives Nibi, any minority MPs Nibi, at the petition akoma party so omon pamo Kennedy Japan. Now, the one want to say, Omudi asam no koy and the neck shiaye. Remember, Akyea Markin on a lawyer to Kennedy Japan. Everybody GB2. Akyea Markin na or no any minority for extra petition comma neck say pam Kennedy Japan no. Or minority leader no. On was a lawyer ma Kennedy Japan. And the neck for shiaye no not otimubi. And the neck for shiaye and also asam no. Omo refer assembly the Akoma disciplinary committee. The question here is National Executive Committee and a disciplinary committee. One and a to me. We are for. If NEC could not sack Kennedy Japan, do you think disciplinary committee can sack him? Me busamo. Enti video na me bochire wo no. Eya NPP fo a omo call eya Alisa Hotel enne. Abra na NEC fo na be hia. Ena mampurisi fo no ba wo mia organize the boys say omo nko ho no omo nkoko ntokwa. Enti video we no eye meeting na no more yet to decide Kennedy Japan's fate and then no ana Akyea Markin tima NPP minority for partition party say yempam Kennedy no and about omiaka say the boys ne nko no nko ye nkoko ntokwa no mo nka say Ken must go. Enti video we eno na ekoso wo ho. Now, Bamencha Wadebi, the National Executive Committee, no. The National Executive Committee. Into Weno, and about Baumia release Mampurusi boys, no. These are the same boys are Omoko Mampurusi case in who quarter, they are the same boys. Now, Mamencha Wade. Mamencha why the NPP a dangerous political party, and I'm moving Montias. Omo no black suit no Kennedy Japan bodyguards. Omo no mo black suit no. Kennedy bodyguards ni omo. Boys na no mo man police for na Bawumia esoma omo so omo nko ho nko ye saade no. Omo ye Bawumia boys. Now, mama fa no to nche na me chewade. Kennedy Japan. Sorry. National Executive Council Committee no. Mama nche onipa omo wom na wa hu ade bi. On say petition no minority for the bia omo ye Bawumia nko for na troye. Petition no party for executives ni bi national executives ni bi they call NEC. Now here you see the NEC nipa omo NEC nim. Omo committee ene. We know any from core national officers often treated as NEC leadership. Now, we have a committee in there. One, National Chairman Stephen Ayensun Tim. It is a National Chairman Niwa. First Vice Chairman Dankwa Smith Buti. Second Vice Chairman Rita Asobaire. Third Vice Chairman Alhaji Masawudu Usman, aka Salakau. These people, Number 5, General Secretary Justin Kodria Frimpong, Mahmoud Bawumia. National Organizer Henry Nanabuachi Nanabi, Mahmoud Bawumia. National Women's Organizer Kate Jemfua Galamsey Queen, Mahmoud Bawumia. National Youth Organizer Salam Mustafa Koteboto, Mahmoud Bawumia. National Nazara Coordinator Abdul Aziz Haruna Futa, Mahmoud Bawumia. National Treasurer Dr. Charles Jamina, Mahmoud Bawumia. Shade mamenchwa we Bawumia ku no yo so you Kennedy Free Party nim shade. Other NEC members, institutional representation. NPP parliamentary leadership, majority leader or whip system. Afenyo Marken. Kennedy Japan lawyer. Regional chairperson, all 16 regions, Mahmoud Bawumia, and Kofwa, or Yuzuomo, ever reggae elections. These same people no Yuzuomo the reggae a election to become flag bearer. Regional chairperson, 16 regions, Council of Elders, representatives. These are the same people who worked with Bawumia. We have founding members or constitutional officers. So I will ask you a simple question. Ojen say petition no. When I'm on a true petition in the bar neck, say Omumpamu Kennedy Japan. When I'm on a true petition in the bar neck, it is the Bawumia team. Almost second in Japan, Akokano Krese Afarino NPP Wontumi anye. For 8 years, inti Bawumia set up the team to find means to sack Kennedy Japan from the party. Now, boys, here na omuye to trust them. Na Bawumia man prusi boys here no oyebo masumo omudi nkwasesem Ken must go. Yebusa omo say dey na Kennedy Japan aye. Dey ntina Bawumia suma mo ha say dey ntina Samira Bawumia say mommra na mommeye dede na yempam Kennedy Free Party no. Asama mo kan ni. The reason tia no mo kunto kwan ni.
This party can do without Kennedy Japan. We don't even understand what is so special about Kennedy Japan. The NEC don't want to talk the truth. The same this NEC kick Kobina and Afoko. Why they cannot kick Kennedy? He have to go. Because he have to go. He have to go. He have to go. He have to go and leave this party because what he's saying is killing this party. We have to wake up and protect this party.
What has he said that is killing the party?
He's killing the party because he's telling false. He's selling false. He's saying that at very levels and all what manner has been saying. He went on air and said that he is going to kill this party. He's even not going to follow the party again. So what are we waiting for? What are we waiting for? Somebody who came out and tell the people that he's not free to follow you again. So why are we going to maintain him?
When you say Ken must go, what exactly are you expecting?
We don't need him. He have to go. We are sick and fed up with him.
Yes. He's a betrayer.
He's selling a lot.
This is the financier of the party, you are aware.
Why? How many? He should give us the check. He give the party. How much did he give the party? He should come and tell us, and we will also bring the contract the party has given it to him. He and his wife.
Yes.
There were been committee chairmen. So he was there. He was doing everything. The contract they give it to him is far plenty. So what else? What else did he want? Please, we don't need him in the party anymore.
Yes.
The leaders will do the necessary thing and protect this party. For
Yes.
us, what will happen will happen.
Yes.
Nobody will go out here
Yes,
until they get the direction. What can come to anybody here? Yes, they should take it. You must go. You must go. You must go. You like it or not. You must go. You will go and leave the party. You must go.
They say, and that for my people, no more Jimmy too. Me catch them. Ya penko for my kwati bini a enta for more people no dey muti bini. Me catch them. Don't move for no. Won kwasi ade. Won say achim ni bi gina ho. Won say asantifo di bi yewe. Ya de enta for more party no na gi to me. Omo Jimmy. NPP enta for. Now, I just want to say something to Kennedy Japan. Me, I've always said, I will never advocate in any day. I will never sit here and say, I want Kennedy to be president of Ghana. But that does not also mean, say, when Kennedy is being treated unfairly in my own party, I should sit and say, Kennedy, treating unfairly. Kennedy Japan, Mahamudu Bawumia Peso everything for Kennedy Japan to come out and say he has left the party. So Kennedy Japan Peso o save party way. So ultimately president and as a flag bearer crowd party way, my Kennedy Japan should be the last person to sacrifice to protect the party. So Kennedy said o Peso o save NPP now. He should never step away from the NPP. Mahamudu Bawumia devised this plan. They want to frustrate Kennedy. They want to force some narrative in me. Emmanuel Kennedy yet to the point where Kennedy will say, I have left the party. Kennedy Japan, this is the last advice I'll give you. Whatever you stand for. So ujidi se party way no kremu na wodo some party no. Na a party ni pa na wo pa. Stay with the party. Don't leave. Nobody can force Kennedy Japan to campaign for Bawumia. At least Kennedy has made it clear. The kind of disrespect I will endure in the party, no, will somebody call him to come and stand on stage and campaign with him and Sabunsu? Campaign with Akyea. Campaign with the same Bawumia who has been, at the end of the day, financing young boys and girls to denigrate his image. But what I will tell Kennedy to say, he should not allow Bawumia in the way to kick you out of the party. He should never allow Samira Bawumia what plotty plan to say. I don't want to be part, because what they want to do now is that they cannot outrightly come and say they have sacked you, they died. They can't do it. And they know that partner woman, your influence is bigger than Bawumia. The plan they have now is that because they cannot sack you, because Samira Bawumia, no matter what she would do, she cannot sack you from the party, no? They have devised a plan now. You yourself will come and say, we're free party. Don't ever think of that. Because the way to men say, we party way. Now, man, these cowards, outsiders, these people who, in the first place, are not party members. Mahmoud Bawumia, tell me about the running mates, not only party card. People like you, Kennedy Muna, Mojiji Sika, and they are building party na bedruha. If you become a coward and chicken out, if you allow this Fulani Fowe to come and take a party, Modiwo Ade Yaw, a man for the gu animase, and the gu yirimanase, and the sewu nyuma, party and Konfowe from nowhere, Abenya Sikabe billionaires. If you hand over the party to them, then whatever you people have represented or represent, and then at the end of the day, you have crushed it. It did not mean anything. So what I can tell Kennedy is, let them do what they are doing. Still be a member of the party. Nobody can force you to go and campaign for people who don't respect you. The party is your priority. Make sure you protect the party. Don't quit. Stay in the party. You and I know you can't be president. You and I know. But what you can do, you can support the party. And you can only support the party when you're a member of the party. So what Samira Moyedin say, Mahmoud Bawumia Moyedin say, and I'm going to free neck. I'm going to call this committee. They are going to come out with some kind of punishment that you will make you very angry. The disciplinary committee cannot sack you from the party. But they are going to come out with some kind of punishment. It will get you angry. Mahmoud Bawumia and Samira and what punishment they should give you. And you ask yourself, say, what did I do wrong here? Who did I speak against? Can't I speak my mind as a statesman? Can't I also be honest when national issues come up? You ask yourself these questions, and those things will force you to resign from the party. Never. Because Alan Ko, 83 for Nyauta Woklomu Ko. Omo no mo a papama party ni nyina no ba wo mia ne nkofo no scheme strategy bi eyo mu nyina. If you leave, then you have handed the party to Baumia. Let them do whatever they want to do. Let them do it. You have seen more than this. You have endured more than this. It is the party now, some and individual. If somebody believes they can do it alone, sit in the party, stay in the party, and let them do it alone. But for you to abandon the party, for you to say, me free party, but you know something, there's something unique you need to do. You always have to speak your mind. And that is the only thing that can save the party you love. Because if you stay in the party, now you refuse to say, speaking about things happening in Ghana and in the party, then it is better you even leave the party. But the only way you can save this party, the only way you can get that party back, say the Ghana for NPP before they have their party back. You need to stay. And you staying means you need to be vocal. You stay means you need to speak for people to understand, say, party need to be farmer. The day you will resign from the party, Samira Baumie Winnie, Mahmoud Baumie Winnie, they will hand over the party to terrorists. Because there are people on the borders waiting for Mahmoud Baumia to become president. Waiting for Baumia and his wife to take power for them to penetrate. Do not underestimate what they are doing. This is my advice to you, Kennedy. So quitting from the party shouldn't be part of the conversation. Today, because of them, into wood and every party, never should it happen. Never. Baumia can do his worst. He can use his national executives. He can do whatever he wants to do, but stay in the party. And you, the Kennedy, we know. Speak your mind. They are able to speak their mind in the party. And you, Kennedy, Japan, party you cannot speak your mind. Because you are speaking your mind, people are saying, say, what you need to get you out of the party. Nobody in the NPP should be able to get you out of the party. And nobody should be able to frustrate you to leave the party that you have built. Stay in the party, speak your mind, let them know what you think, and make sure, say, the right thing is done. Say, Mahmoud Baumia and in the group, they don't want to hear these things. It is up to them to leave, not you. When are you this year? When it comes to NPP politics. Baumia Akyea, we are this year. Don't allow Akyea to intimidate you in the party. Stay in. Speak your mind. Let Ghanaians understand. Right now, you're a statesman. You don't want to be president. You are not chasing president because if you even mention you want to be president, nobody is going to vote for you because of these people. They have destroyed you. In Kofu, we are not a political career. It is Mahmoud Baumia, Ukoye Juma, Ukoye Nkwasi Juma, Eko di atro, Eko di atem, Eko create enemies for yourself. You are doing this to give Baumia an opportunity. But today, Mahmoud Baumia is using that against you. You hear young boys and girls who are being sponsored by Baumia say these kind of things against you because what do I come to was say Obabwa. But Baumia, I releasing inquiry, I say they should use the same thing. The things you were doing to protect Baumia, Kasafia Okaye, Atenia Udiye, Atra Utaton Kofoso, Nyoma Sebio in the name Seme Yama Baumia Nekufada succeeding. Today, Baumia Epikis and your man and Odiaman Kwara said they should use against you. Don't. Motherfucker. Nobody also was down to me and go for do it. Every day you are lying. The day our boy will be more. Confirm rank for our boy. Contompumia. Obi oye dabrabe mu. Obi osewo 276 building, not a public place. Get away udini, you don't want to drive you. To so odi draw. No, come in draw. Obi a uko interview, ubeka say you no anu nyina for ni intensuo na wo threaten via oye drug business. Oni obi kasa na oni papa na ya. Ye beti aso. Who is this man? Menopause. Na ginimu enye clear. The man has shown to NPP say 24 years in parliament.
How many companies do you have in Asen? If you go to Timu, your friend is saying moving picking. What if I go down on Tiaka? Who 257 houses now to the hotel? What is credible about it? Credible people who are election. You know, be about to all your thoughts. Say. And then now for oil. A channel out on rice. How can on you be any to soon be a jar with it? Then people are said, don't believe any jandamo. Yeah, you and no, I go down or not. Get it quite. Then the boss, you're nearly too much. You're nearly too so dark. He hates Paumia with everything. The family is my immediate to dark. Na Kennedy immediate to na sani by a immediate to man quite don't go contest election. Near when you follow a madman, when you see a mad person, you identify who did mad. Kennedy is about tribal and a banning to for Yehoah. He's a hypocrite. Tell me what Honorable Ken has done for Ghana. Honorable Ken, you're more forgetting. Honorable, if you don't win, we don't care about you.
What will you do if you win the primaries?
What
will you support him?
What are we going to sell? No, tell me what are we going to sell? What will we be selling?
This is the NPP. Boys we kasaya kasa Kennedy tondru bone. Boys we kasaya to be a point of Kennedy tondru bone. Kennedy is a drug dealer. Boys we kaya a bronya o kaya kasa o tondru bone. O ya trofo o ya kromfo. These boys don't ever think of leaving this party. And nobody in this party can sack you. As far as I, Kevin Taylor, I live. As far as an NPP member like yourself, a card-bearing member who pays his tithe indirectly, as far as I live, you have no option. Don't ever think of leaving the party. Stay in here. Tinem, speak your mind. Make sure the right things are done. The audience say, Wontumi tina party no, they should leave. Akyea entumi emetena sena sebio adehye nwane. Adehye entumi nwane na enkoa emeje party moso. And I don't expect you to basically run away and hand over such a party to Samira Bawumia. Then that will make you the biggest coward on this planet. For you, the things you have said, nyoma waka, akukuduro sema waka. If you leave this party, Emma Samira Bawumia, then you are the biggest coward in the history of Ghana. Prove to these people. Prove to the people who supported you. Let them understand. And your party president in Tina Obaye, and your flag bearer, and your party ye. Say in the next 42 years, we to the party Jina ye. Na in Chinimba betuma Bowudin. They have done coups upon coups. O colleagues in Yoma Pamomo, you should save the party. You cannot hand over this party to Samira Bawumia. You can never do that. You will lose your dignity. You will lose what you basically stand for. You'll be seen as a chicken. A man for be who was party was some do sika shem. Aya di sa we and the Fulani ba inti obe resigning. Don't ever dare think about that. Baba Jansa for you be Peniti etina etimantimante. Akwara ode ekabebe fie no otija ho a na obobesia. Asem kese pa ankasa eba franka ebi nsiso Kennedy. Na mpedifo so aka. You say Adria ne ho ofe. Adria ne ho ofe. Enye ne tipen eni abronye. Mpedifo anasa aka. Omzi kuku a wahram esi. No way time kurano. Na sebio. Enye kokati peno no. Then penifo asaka. Omo say echo emu odin. Echo emu odin. Ayana ehren chekufu ado enim. Kennedy. Ye penifo asaka. Ye ne penifo oma ka kire Ghana for. Yes, jantre ni owe experience. Jantre ni owe experience. Oni asofo ne start. Obanyansafo ibuni be.
We don't have to borrow money from anywhere. We don't have to borrow money from anywhere. Just toll the various sections of the road and we'll raise the money to do the roads in Ghana.